Hi, this is Brian Van from Sport Bike Track Gear, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to do a video review on the flagship one-piece leather suit from Taichi. It is the GP Max R070. Just so happens I have the GP Max R070 suit on. Let's talk a little bit about sizing right now. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 195 to 200 pounds with a mildly athletic build. I am wearing a size 46 US or a size 56 European in the GP Max R070 suit. Quick 360. One thing that we really love with the Taichi line is their sizing. It's consistent, okay? All the suits that we've reviewed, all the suits that I've worn, I'm putting on the exact same size. There are small differences in fit between each of the suits, but they're small. So the reality is, if you're wearing a 46, you can trust that you're going to wear a 46 across the range, and I think that's important. Not all other manufacturers are that consistent, and that just kind of goes hand in hand with Taichi's build quality, design intelligence. We really appreciate that. This suit utilizes the Japanese 1.4 millimeter cowhide, okay, with the silk screen graphics. What does that mean? What that means is the graphics are printed on the leather, and it also means that during the tanning process, the dyeing process, it does not penetrate all layers of the leather, okay? It just stays on the outer edges of it, and that means the structural integrity is more so. It remains intact. When you dye all the way through the leather, it does degrade the strength of the leather just a bit, so this just offers a better finished product. This is available in the GP Max R100. Okay, the difference between the R070 and the R100 is the R100, it's still going to use silkscreen coloring, okay? But to get the graphic effect, what they're doing is they're using more overlays and panels, okay? Both great suits, but that's the difference between the two, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about this suit. I've had on numerous Taichi suits today. I've owned many myself in the past. This is the first time I've had on the GP Max R070, and it feels like you're wearing a pair of pajamas. And that comes from the quality of leather that's used, the cut of the suit, and the design with the stretch panels. One of the things that I've really picked up on almost immediately is the way it feels in the lower extremity. This stretch panel here in this knee is absolutely incredible. It allows my leg to move like I'm wearing, like I said, a pair of pajamas. I feel no restriction here in the lower extremity, yet still I have a perfect fitting suit on, okay? Very impressive. Now in the elbow, this suit, you know, different than the EVO series, okay, this one offers a nice stretch panel here in the elbow, and you can feel the difference for sure. The other suit is comfortable as well and it moves well. This one, it's just a step above, okay? Very comfortable. We have our neoprene termination here at the end of the sleeve. We have our shoulder slider. Okay, the idea with the shoulder slider is it has a lower coefficient of friction than the leather will. So if in fact you do end up on the ground, this is going to slide easier. The concept is it can help keep you from hooking up and tumbling. Okay, it also protects an important seam in the shoulder area, an important vulnerable seam in most suits, and then it also offers some ventilation here. Big panels of leather, heavily perforated, torso, lower leg. You're going to notice here that even the stretch panel is completely perfed. Tons of airflow in these suits, benchmark for airflow. I don't think you're going to find any other suits on the market that'll move more air than an Taichi suit does. Upper arm, totally perfed. Stretch panel, perfed. We discussed the vent here on the shoulder. Nick, if you just want to go ahead and pan through the areas in the back where the perforation is, we'll discuss this more in part 2 of this video when I take this suit apart completely. And then you notice the top of the race hump is perforated, the hump is hollowed out, and that allows air to flow inside the suit, acts like a big air conditioner. This suit, like I said, this is top of the range for Taichi. I put this absolutely on par and above a lot of other manufacturers, best of the best. This is one of the finest suits you will find anywhere in the world, and the thing that really separates it, once again, I really want to bang on this because this is really the key, okay? This suit utilizes the 1.4 millimeter Japanese cowhide with screen printed graphics, okay? The Japanese cow is raised specifically for its hide. It's not, hey, we're gonna, raise this for its beef, and oh look, we have all this hide left over, let's make some stuff out of it. They're raising this cow specifically for its hide. It's incredibly strong. We've done another video where we have a piece of the Brazilian, which is still good, okay? And we have a piece of this, the Japanese cow, and we show what it takes to tear each piece. I was able to easily tear the Brazilian, and I could not get the Japanese to tear using some serious effort. So here you go. Here is part 1 of the RS Taichi GP Max R070.